So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for Boomplay app. When you find it, just tap on it for some while and tap on the app info. And you are going to be in the app info of Boomplay. And as you can see, tap on full stop, then you tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. Now go back, tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is still good on. So make it on. Then after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is still good on, which is very important. After doing this, what you have to do is to go straight to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store app. When you find Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. When it opens, try to search for Boomplay app and tap on the update over here in the Boomplay app. So when you tap on update and you get the latest update of Boomplay app, you're going to see it's saying open over here. Don't tap on it to open it. What you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while to restart your device. Now tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed.